today's question is for A level. So the question belongs to 2018, May, June, paper 1-3, and the question number is 28. It's concerned with the chapter electric field. So it says that a particle having mass m, and charge plus q. So mass m highlighted, charge plus q is also highlighted, enters a uniform electric field with velocity v. So the velocity of entrance as given here is equal to, this is velocity v. Initially the particle is traveling at right angles to the electric field. So that means if the electric field is in this direction, the particle is coming like this. So that means if the direction is like this, particle is going like this, so the angle between them is 90 degrees initially, but later on it is deflecting. So that's why this direction is definitely not perpendicular to this. So initially perpendicular, later on not perpendicular. During the movement through the field, the particle is deflected through a distance d. So the deflection of the particle at the end of the field is simply, it is d. Now we are given that a second particle of mass twice m. So initially mass was m and now the mass is twice m. Charge is the same plus q and velocity also same v, enters in the same manner. Now we have to find what is the new deflection of the particle. So for this, this motion is very much similar to the projectile motion that we studied. So if I have a simple diagram here, so if I have a simple field like this, simple field as is shown here, if a particle enters like this with a velocity simply v, and it deflects like this, and comes like this. And if I have a certain point P here, where it has performed x horizontal and y vertical displacement, and the force on the particle is in this direction. The force is on this direction, which is the electric force, Fe. So if so, this force will have no component here. So the displacement x will be given by x will be equal to v into t plus 1/2 acceleration horizontal t square, the horizontal acceleration into t square. So this will be equal to vt plus this acceleration will be 0, because since the force is vertical, there cannot be any force here, and so the acceleration in that direction is also 0. So it is equal to 0 equal to simply vt, which gives us t is equal to x by v, equation 1. If I go through the vertical deflection, which is y, so y is equal to the initial velocity in this direction, in vertical direction was 0. So it is a 0 into t. Its motion was initially in horizontal direction, so that's why at that time the vertical motion was 0. So the initial vertical velocity is 0 into t plus 1/2 a vertical t square, and that's equal to, the initial term is 0, so it is simply 1/2, and the vertical acceleration is given by the electric force. So that's why it should be equal to Fe by mass, and instead of this t, I can use this x by v whole square, and that's equal to 1/2. Now I can write this Fe as q into E by m x square v square, which will further give me y is equal to QE divided 2mv square and x square. This is the expression for the deflection. Now the deflection here is d. So let us say this whole distance is x. I can say it as x. We have the symbol d here. So that's why we have in this case d is equal to is equal to QE divided twice mv square, then it is x square in this case. So the initial the deflection for the initial particle is exactly this, because mass is given as m, charge is plus q, and velocity is v. For the second particle, this is for the first particle. For the second particle, it will be the deflection 2 is equal to QE. It's okay because the field is same, the charge is same. Now the mass is double, so mass is twice m. So it is 2 into 2m v square and x square. Everything are the same. So this will be equal to 1 by 2 into QE by 2m v square x square. So now this thing is exactly same as this or same as this. So therefore this d2 is equal to 1 by 2 into d, or simply equal to d by 2. So that means the new deflection is half of the previous deflection. So that's why the correct choice is choice number B.